Purell.
Sheldon, if you like this stuff, why don't you come and do it with us?
Or instead of us? Do you mean it? No, it's too late. You can't take it back. Yes.
Well, Amy, looks like the elevator might have been the high point of your day.
Where's Raj?
He's working with Bert. They're probably cutting their stupid meteorite open with their stupid diamond saw.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm just a little run down. It might be a head cold.
Purell. 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 Can I top anybody off?